truck, it's really obvious to see.
Yeah.
How's the quest for the Tesla going, Miles?
You were what?
How's the quest for the Tesla going?
Not there yet.
Okay, so I have you look here.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Tire's moving, but the
Look on this side here. This is
okay.
where you see most of it.
Oh yeah, I see lots of play in that. You go do that again for me, would you? I gotta send this to my buddy. So
It'll get better on the other side.
yeah, I could see the play. I can feel it driving it.
Each one of those joints
But you know,
is supposed to be tight.
we gotta. Yeah, I
I'll
know.
watch that joint a little better over there.
Yeah.
See, that's what you're probably feeling. That's one of the very loose parts.
It's not. It doesn't feel like there's even grease. There's no grease fitting on any of these points. Why is there no grease fittings on this? Is that obviously why it's fucked? This looks loose. I can see that right there.
Designed it.
Then we got that ball joint right there for the track bar.
Uh,
It's also loose. That ball joint. It's not the most play there, obviously, but it does
Yeah.
have play.
yeah. Yeah.
And you got
What's mostly making this thing so when you hit a bump and it pulls so hard one way or the other, that track,
the looseness of this front end.
the looseness of that.
Exactly what we just showed you. I mean, how loose it is.
Yeah.
And that's really bad
Jesus,
there.
that's just horrible right there. That's
This
obviously
on the
bad.
bottom is the toe link.
Yeah.
That's the whole assembly. This is the drag link on the top here, and then you get this damper you can see is all wet from it leaking out.
Well, it had a transmission leak, so this might be just transmission fluid on here. They just replaced this line right here, this training line, because it was leaking fluid. So this might be all right. But
You also got your shock is leaking here as well. And you can see if you shine the light up there. Let me get my light. It's obviously really wet here.
yeah, let's see.
And you can see the dirt taking to the side of that shock there.
Yep.
Therefore, that shock is leaking.
Yeah.
We normally replace shocks in pairs.
Yeah.
So, like I said, you've seen the ball joint. Here, you've seen these two links. And this ball joint.
Lower ball joints are.
These two are bad too. I mean, get the proper real quick then.
So those are your normal ball joints in the knuckle, and then you get this is a
Those extra
joint
ball
here, so you'll
joints.
see 3 ball joints on the quarter.
Yeah, he showed me that one already. That one was loose. And, oh yeah. Any movement's bad movement.
The other
See
side is
that
solid.
moving. The other side is solid.
Yes, it's good. It's good. The ball joints are good.
Yeah. Yeah, that side's not moving. Man, it's just so rusty under here already. So for a 2011, all this.
That's why I mentioned it being a previous Canadian vehicle.
Yeah, I don't know how long he's had it, but it's been in Michigan for a while, and I can't imagine that Michigan's better